Hi everyone, my name is Leah and today I will be teaching you the Ethiopian language. The Ethiopian language is called Amharic. Are you ready to learn with me? Great. First we'll start with the head. The head is called ጭንቅላት. ጭንቅላት. The head is called ጭንቅላት. 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 The hair is called ፀጉር. 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 The hair is called ፀጉር. 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 The eye is called ዓይን. 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 It's very similar to the English. The eye is called ዓይን. 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 The nose is called አፍንጫ. 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 The mouth is called አፍ. 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 The mouth is called አፍ. አፍ. The tongue is called ምላስ. 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 The tongue is called ምላስ. ምላስ. The teeth is called ጥርስ. 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 The teeth is called ጥርስ. ጥርስ. The neck is called አንገት. 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 The ear is called ጆሮ. 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 The ear is called ጆሮ. 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 The hand is called እጅ. እጅ. The hand is called እጅ. 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 The chest is called deret. 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 The chest is called deret. The leg is called öger. 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 That was very good. Well done, everybody. Now we will do a recap and see if you can remember any of it. Can you remember what the hand is called? The hand is called edge. The hand is called edge. Very good. Next, let's remember what the head is called. The head is called ጭንቅላት. ጭንቅላት. Well done. How about the ear? Can you remember the ear? The ear is called ጆሮ. 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 Well done. How about the eye? Now this one is very easy. It's very similar to the English. The eye is called ein. 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 What about the hair? The hair is called ፀጉር. 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 And the nose? Do you remember the nose? What the nose is called? አፍንጫ. 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 Well done, everybody. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.